Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you who can see how to set who can see the members that you follow on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and click on the Me button at the top, then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, you should go to the left side of the screen and tap on Visibility. Then tap on Who can see members you follow, which is the fifth option. And here you can set it to only visible to me or anyone on LinkedIn. So just simply tap on the tap onto the relevant circle, and as you can see, it only affects your follow visibility for other members, not for LinkedIn pages or hashtags. So if you follow a member, that member can always see that you follow them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.